Hello YouTube, very quick tutorial to show you this attracted particle system working with Mediapipe. So I published this project some while ago. It works with the mouse, it works with the Kinect, it works with Mediapipe. Mediapipe is a machine learning component that is free, available on GitHub. So just go to my Patreon here and you will download the attracted Kinect MP here. You also have some instructions here to let you know how you can use it. So once you open the project, it will look like this. What you want to do is then go to your browser and to GitHub and type in Torin MB, which is the creator of the component, and just search for his latest release. You can just download this here, the release zip, and you will get Aeonix's component, which is like this, and you just drag and drop mediapipe.tux inside the project. It will lag for a little bit. It will also tell you to externalize the components, which is very easy. So what you want to do is just go to the common page here in the parameters, press P to open it, and go to enable external tux, click the little plus icon and select your mediapipe.tux inside your folder, click open, boom. So now you can say you can save the project, Control S, and it will be lightweight and you won't have to save the machine learning component along with your project, so to save some space basically. So you can just disable all of these. We only want to keep the pose because that's the one we're using. We could have used the hands also, but yeah, I thought it was more relevant to use the pose. So basically this is it. Yeah, you can use Mediapipe for the project. You can switch to mouse and you can switch to the Kinect also. Right now I'm using the Kinect with my Mediapipe, so I can't do both. But yeah, basically this is how you connect Mediapipe to the attracted particle system. So I hope this helps you a bit to get the project working. I know that many people have the Kinect at their homes. It requires an adapter that you can buy on Amazon. That's what I did for like $25. The Kinect itself is very cheap, it's like $20. But yeah, I mean, get a Kinect. It's a very good tool it's cheap for LiDAR detection. It works in the night and so on and so on. But Mediapipe is also very revolutionary in that sense. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little patch, and I wish you the best in your creative endeavors. See you next time. Have fun and bye bye.